Good morning, dear children. So, today we'll start with page 26. Topic: Incredible Wildlife Sanctuaries. Now, what are wildlife sanctuaries? These are areas which are marked where certain species of animals are provided protection from hunting, predation, and competition. This is done especially for endangered species, animals whose population is decreasing drastically, and if they are not taken care of, if their population is not controlled, the decrease in population, they might become extinct. So, the first one, the Serengeti National Park is famous for its annual migration of over 1.5 million wild beasts and 250,000 zebras. Name the African country in which it is located. It is Tanzania. Next, the Kaziranga National Park is home to two-thirds of the one-horned rhinoceros population in the world. In which state of India is this national park located? It is in Assam. Third, the Kruger National Park is one of the most tourist-friendly game parks in the world. It boasts of a large population of all the big five game species, namely the lion, the leopard, the elephant, the rhino, and the buffalo. Where is it located? It is in South Africa. Next, the Galapagos Islands is an incredible place to see wildlife, whether it is the giant tortoises or iguanas that swim around the coral reefs or the innumerable species of finch that live there. This national park is a trip back in time. To which country does the Galapagos Islands belong? It is Ecuador. Next, the Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard, can be found in the Komodo National Park. It is also home to world-class scuba diving sites and deserted and isolated beaches. Name the country in Asia where it is located. Indonesia. Next, the Los Glaciares National Park's name refers to the giant ice cap, which is the largest outside Antarctica and Greenland. The park offers an ideal habitat for birds such as the black-necked swans and the Andean condor. In which South American country is it located? It is in Argentina. So this was about the wildlife sanctuaries. Next, saving the earth. The past few decades have seen humans exploit the vast natural resources on earth, calling for drastic measures of conservation. Some ecological movements, organizations, and crusaders are working to slow down and even reverse this process. Identify them, take help from the help box. So, the first one, an international organization that works to conserve life on earth by protecting its most important ecosystems, habitats, and regions. So, this is Worldwide Fund for Nature. You can see in the image WWF. Next, in the 1970s and 1980s, this non-violent resistance to deforestation spread throughout India. The villagers hugged trees to prevent contractors from felling them. This is Chipko movement. Next, he is a former vice president of USA. He has worked actively on spreading awareness on global warming. It is Al Gore. Next, she is the founder member of the Narmada Bachao Andolan, a social movement against a large number of dams being built across the river Narmada. She is Medha Patkar. Next, this is a common name for many otherwise independent animal welfare organizations around the world. It is SPCA, Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. And next, the slogan of this organization is "Animals are not ours to eat, wear, experiment on, use for entertainment or abuse in any way. So it is PETA, people for ethical treatment of animals. Next, flowers and divine. Different countries have different flowers as the national flowers. What is the national flower of India? It is lotus. So, depending upon the characteristics of a flower and what it represents, identify each flower below from its description. First one, it is found in the Himalayas. It was discovered during a failed attempt to scale Mount Everest. It is the national flower of Bhutan. Blue poppy. Next, a popular garden flower. It is known for its deep red or pale pink flowers. It is the national flower of Nepal. It is rhododendron. Rhododendron. Next, native to the Mediterranean region, this flower is widely grown as a decorative flower. It is the national flower of Israel. It is Kalanet. Next, this flower was first cultivated in China as a flowering herb. It is the symbol of the emperor and the imperial family of Japan. It is chrysanthemum. Fifth, it is a tropical flower also known as frangipani or temple tree. It is the national flower of Nicaragua. It is Sakuan Joshe. Next, this flower is native to Eastern Asia. It evolved to encourage pollination by beetles. It is the national flower of North Korea. The flower is magnolia. So children, we'll do till here. Thank you, class.